cool beach gadgets. Beach days come with lots of planning and packing. You may need to think about snacks, drinks, towels, and things that help you out of the sand. But with the help of technological progress, it is possible to minimize your worry and have a great beach day. Well, here's our list of cool beach gadgets to take your beach vacation to the next level. Number 1. Beach Sun Shelter. If you want a quick relaxation and keep the shelter from the sun, just pop your portable Felicigili beach tent. Its innovative design helps to pop up automatically with no assembling required. The beach shade comes in a portable carrying bag so you can easily set up and fold up. Number 2. Sand-free beach mats. Everyone enjoys relaxing on the beach, but it's annoying when you have to deal with grains of sand getting in your food and all of your personal belongings. It consists of 2 separate dual weave layers. Dual layer mesh technology allows sand to fall straight through, leaving the mat free from sand. Number 3. Weekapoo Beach Bean Bag. If you want a sunbath on the beach with full relaxation and like royalty, then the Weekapoo Beach Bean Bag should have your top choice. Weekapoo's Air Lounger has a patented pillow-shaped headdress design that gives your upper back and neck comfortable support when you need relaxation most. Number 4. SafeGo Portable Lockbox. The SafeGo Portable Lockbox helps you to keep gather and safe your valuable thing during beach time. Its heavy-duty flexible steel cable securely locks around almost any fixed object so you can stop worrying and just enjoy your vacation. Number 5. Power Bank with Solar Charger. It's common to face the phone recharge problem. But if you have a charger with a solar system, then you can easily minimize this problem. The foldable solar charger could be your top choice in this situation. USB charging ports with smart charging technology can recognize your device smartly, then providing optimal charging speed vary with different devices. Number 6. Waterproof Bluetooth Speaker. Whether you want to throw a party or just take your music with you aboard the inflatable Matterhorn, the waterproof Bluetooth speaker is the perfect gadget for your beach vacation. This wireless Bluetooth speaker also supports answer callings. Number 7. Waterproof Phone Case. A waterproof case keeps your phone safe, while you can still make full use of it in the water and on the beach. Number 8. Waterproof GoPro. GoPro Hero 8 Black, which is a waterproof action camera with a touchscreen and 4K Ultra HD video with 12MP photos and 1080p live streaming stabilization, can take your beach day experiences to a new level. GoPro waterproof cameras are rugged enough for extreme sports and quality enough to capture the moment with ease. Number 9. Selfie Drone. The Air Selfie 1 is a revolutionary pocket-size flying camera that connects to your smartphone via an iOS/Android app, letting you take extraordinary aerial HD images of you, your friends, and life, and make your selfie game to the next level. Capture an aerial view of your ideal beach setup or even floating in the ocean. Number 10. Beach Sandy Sand Remover. Beach Sandy Beach Brush Kit Portable, lightweight, and durable microfiber towel bag with 2 brushes. A must-have gadget for your next trip to the beach. Technology helps to make out life easier and more enjoyable. Those super cool beach gadgets can help you to take your beach vacation onto a comfort level.